what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing for you. If you don't know about Stitch Fix, click on my link below and you'll get $25 towards your first fix, and then I'll get $25 so I can keep doing these videos. So today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing. So I do these type of unboxings every week, every other week. And if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe and stay tuned. Hey guys, so in the box, you'll get a style card which says, "Oh, hello." And then it'll have your items on it. And I'll read you my style card. You also get your pricing sheet, as well as your return label bag. So let me open up the price sheet so I can look at the prices as I go and let you guys know. But what I'm gonna do is read my style card, and I'm super excited for this because my stylist is back, Nikki. And it says, "Hi Kristen, I'm back. I couldn't find the white pink clover cardigan from the 28th fix in stock this time around, but I've chose this light gray Sophie Rue since you noted that you might like the cardigan in gray. You recently pinned these studio blue Del Mar mid-rise distressed skinny jeans on your Pinterest board, so I had to include them for you to try on. Pair them with the navy Kayla Casey knit top or the dark purple hummingbird Laura knit top, front knit top, which you've been pinned. The purple one is in a different color. For a casual layered look, put it with the gray cardigan over for when it's cooler weather arrives here in Pottstown. I've sent you the gray Aubrey cold shoulder knit top from Paper Moon that I spotted on your board as well. Be sure to leave us a note with your fall wish list. Kristen, XOXO Nikki." Thank gosh, Nikki is back. I'm super excited. So here we go with, here's my style card. So I'll just show you guys this. And so let's get into the box. So the first item here is this blue top, which is really cute. I really like it a lot. It's kind of oversized V-neck top. You can see through it, but it's really soft. So this here is the Kayla Casey knit top in navy and size extra small. So I'll put this up here and also put a picture of it on the side here so you can see that. So this item here is $28. So that's not a bad deal. It's really cute. Like that a lot. Okay, so the next item we got here is these jeans that she was speaking about, which are distressed. And they're like just distressed in the front, and then you can wear them straight or you can curl them up at the bottom. So these are the Studio Blue Del Mar distressed skinny jean. Studio Blue, okay, and $64. This is not bad. These are really soft as well, and they're stretchy and they're cute. So here's the back. There's no distressing on the back. All right. And oh, let me show you the name here if you guys want to purchase them. Like I said, I'll have the picture on the side here. Okay, so the next item here is this really cute gray cardigan. Very, very soft. It's kind of long, no pockets. Yeah, this is really nice. So this is the Sophie Rue Demeter cardigan in light gray. And here we go. There you go, you can see that. And $48. That's not bad. Pretty good deal. Next item here is this gray top. Just kind of thin, but it has some cutout shoulders, 3/4 length sleeve. So this is really nice. Like it. Just plain, something I can wear to work. Let's see here. So this is the Paper Moon Audrey cold shoulder knit top in gray. And it's $38. Not bad. And last but not least is the purple top that she was talking about with the knot in the front. I got a purple color top like this before and it had buttons on the side, but it was a little bit lighter, and I sent it back because it didn't look cute on me, but I'll try this one. This here is the Hummingbird, which I already have a bodysuit from them, which was really comfortable. Hummingbird Lyora knot front knit top, dark purple. It's really cute. And this is $34. So my total is $212 with the 25% off discounts, $53. And my subtotal is $159, and then I had a $2 credit from before that I didn't use. So $157 for 5 items, not bad. So what I'm gonna do is try everything on, let you guys know my opinion at the end, and just let you know what I decided to keep. Okay, so guys, so first item I have this top. It's really cute. We could probably wear it and tuck it in. It's like a really cute, like flouncy top. Put it in a little bit, there you go. So it's really cute. It's kind of a little bit longer in the back. No, let me know your thoughts. Here's the design that's on it. It has blue, but it has some little like white lines everywhere. It's really comfortable. Let me bring it down a little bit so you can see. There you go. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. It's really comfortable and cute, casual. Okay guys, so next I have the jeans. Let me bring it down so you can see. So here they are. They have distressing here, here, and at the bottom they're tight, but then you can cuff them if you want. So let me know what you think. They fit really nice. So let me guys know your opinion in the comments below, what you think about the jeans. Okay, next is the top. Here's the cutouts on the side. It's cute. It's just a plain basic top. It's kind of like a high-low. So let me know what you guys think. Here's the material. It's kind of like cream and it has a little gray in it. I mean, it's cute. Just basic item. Okay guys, so next here I have the purple top. It's really cute. It fits really nice and lays really nice. This is probably one of my favorites that is in the box. I like how it lays in the back. It's really cute. So let me know what you think. I'm gonna put on the cardigan as well over top. You guys can give me your opinion. This is cute. It's nice and warm for work. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you guys' opinion is below, and I'll come back with my final thoughts. Hey guys, I'm back. So I'm extremely torn about this box. I like this shirt that I have on. The jeans are really cute. They're really comfortable. The only thing is I can't wear them to work. This top here, I mean, I can wear it to work with the cardigan, but I'm not sure. This top I don't like. It just doesn't fit me right, this top here. This one's holding me back from keeping the whole box. This purple top, really cute. With the knot on the side. I'm not sure. And the cardigan I like too because I can actually wear this to work. I would get a lot of use out of this. So I might be just leaning towards getting the cardigan, but the box is so cheap. It's only $157. So I'm kind of torn here. The cardigan's $48. So I need your thoughts. I like everything in the box. I mean, this top is so cute. But I think it's only $28. So if I kept the cardigan and the top, I mean, it would be almost $70. So what's the point of getting two things? So let me know what your comments are down below. I'm very interested in knowing, and thank you guys again for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.